ngiphethe umbuzi la ngizothi ukugoba kancane ngoba phela ayi umngane wami emfishane mfana uyawuthi asethembisa uyawuthi asephumulong ama-Phillies game asephumulong ngiyacabanga kuyakujabulisa lokho
obvious bafethu it's a clean initiative yangithola reason being yabona baningi abantu abascoutile kula ma games yabo so for the fact ukuthi ahamba kasizukasi vele bafethu it's a good initiative ukuthi asuke from Phumulong esiqongweni aye eMhlaringa aye esangweni aye so that abanye abantu bathole initiative bathole opportunity bakwazi ukuziveza kwemphakathini nakuma scouts
bafethu umbuzi awuthi asethembisa awuthi yala ikasi ukuze ukhola ukuthi awuthi yala ikasi ntwana ugelezeva
okay mina ngikeleza noKhembayi
ugeleza mbona wena ukhuluma isilungu
yeah no ngikeleza noKhembayi mina
okay
ngasimpila ngilithembisa mara ngihlala eCaptain Park so mina abantu bahlala bangibaleka ikasi so bacabanga ukuthi ngisethembisa but ama game ngikhule ngahamba vele since primary school so until ngaqeda ngevarsity every December sema gaming
eCaptain Park ithembisa
yeah into one
thembisa
no ekuruleni into one vele
and mbana awugcini nje ngokulibuka kuphela ibhola ulidlalile ezweni
yeah I played football I played for Everts I played for Highlands Park played for Pechekas Football Club I played for Kempton Park FC so I actually played football my first game was under 17 when I was playing for Everts so it was a cool experience because I think I was school echanini so almost I traveling but
uyayazi le game le othatha isitina ngara ngibeka isitina ngalo ubeka esinye isitina ngara thatha esinye isitina usibeka ngale bese ke manje ugoalkeeper wena uvimba ngale ngivimba ngale shoot siyashayelana uyazi lo game
yeah I think I have an idea bese i-practice sasikhula ngiyayibona ngathi ngine idea
ne
ngiyakhumbula kahle
but mfana you did something enhle kakhulu wahamba waya ku Big Brother okuyinto intwana zasekasi othola ukuthi ziyafisa ukuthi ziye la batshela ukuthi hayi lento ifair kunathi but wena wayithatha wayisondeza mfana okusho ukuthi next time ungabakhuthaza majithi no bafethu you can do like that
yeah definitely man shout out to Big Brother for the opportunity man guys you must go there and enjoy yourself ohamba manje nge-11 January go there go enjoy yourself have a great time be yourself nje mfethu don't overthink it have a great time ungayicabanga 2 million angekwazi abantu bazocabanga ngawe but just have a great time I mean I stayed there for 6 weeks I was only left 4 weeks before finally I did the most just grateful for the opportunities from Big Brother uNkulunkulu above naye I'm really grateful
khona wangihlebela wathi usawuthi lapho uyashaya
angazi ngizwa ngani
bowukhona wena
angazi mina ngizwa ngani mina
mnganami sibona iMudagasi la kuma Phillies game ithola uswazi kanti ke they were the favorites ukuthi they are the guys abangayiwina yeah benhle sharp
mfethu at least une second leg I hope ama cheese will come through phela just I wonder if there was in my second leg ngabe inzima le tournament but if I go to the second legs it means people can still come back
kwangathi uya favor phuthi
mina I'm here to watch football
ne
I'm here to watch football I'm not here to favor anyone but I'm aware of the team that was Tembi so I'm aware of the teams but I'm just here to start watch football and support football man
bafethu awuthiyama umbuzi sila ithembisa ephumulong kumnandi kudelile bafethu umjidi ulidlalile idiski umjidi uyazwakala uzosupport ama game kanami ngiyathemba ukuthi siyobonana futhi efinal ngiyabonga futhi ukukhuluma nawe
definitely bafethu this is your one and only Umuzi the Mbuzi bafethu Muzi the Mbuzi Global on Instagram Muzi the Mbuzi on Facebook Muzi the Mbuzi on TikTok Muzi the Mbuzi on Twitter from me to you bafethu thando kuphela bafethu
danke futhi bafethu siyabonga asiphinde sihlangane sisephumulong fanda danke futhi kanami ngiyabonga
njalo
danke futhi